Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and service. Check your iPhone model supports 5G and your carrier plan includes 5G access. Once done, update iOS and accept any carrier settings prompts so the network profiles are current. Make sure cellular data is on and your SIM or eSIM is active. Without a provisioned line, you cannot attach to 5G. Next, open Settings so you can configure network preferences. This starts the setup that lets your phone actually use 5G. You now configure how the phone uses 5G. Go to Settings, Cellular Data Options, then Voice and Data. Choose 5G on for maximum use or 5G Auto to balance battery and performance. Next, set data mode to standard or allow more data on 5G for higher quality streaming. Make sure low data mode is off because it restricts background use and can block peak throughput. Once configured, review per app cellular permissions so critical apps can use the available 5G bandwidth. You finish by confirming 5G connectivity. Look for the 5G icon in the status bar and run a speed test to validate throughput. If you don't see 5G, restart your iPhone and toggle airplane mode to force a fresh network attach. Also check for carrier settings updates and install them. If problems persist, remove and reinsert the SIM or reprovision your eSIM. One key troubleshooting tip is to test in a known 5G coverage area before escalating to carrier support, so you isolate device versus network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.